Hey guys, a short update today about the Bitcoin price situation, what is happening, what to expect, and also we'll look at Binance Coin because it seems like it is going to the moon right now. So what happened with Bitcoin is basically we had a little dip from 3,800 to 3,700, and now we're hovering around this level, which is very important level because 3,715 everything on Coinbase, and this level was touched several times. Here, basically here as well, here it was a lot of the price action at this level during this pump, so the price tried to go higher, but even this strong movement was stopped around this level. So it was also the level with which price interacts during this fall, so basically it stopped the drop, and then now we are again around this level. It seems like around this zone there was a huge player or group of players who tried to push Bitcoin lower, maybe to test the previous low or even go to the new bottom. But at this point, during the whole period of this decrease in price, there was another player who seemingly tried to step into the trading, and the lower price went, the more it basically resisted to the decrease of the price, and at this point bears basically gave up, and that new whale pushed the price higher. And then at that point probably this group already tried to use this overbought situation to again dump the Bitcoin price again, return to the previous levels and so on. But even here this zone, probably crucial for both of them, stopped the price and actually have some bounce up from that, and now we are just below this level. And the fact that every time when the price reacted with this level, like here or here or here, every time it was a strong move, but then we had strong reaction from this level, so like strong move back, here very strong move, and again correction. Here as well, it was a very strong rally, but then even at that point we had some of the like slowing down of the rise, and then here as well. So I would say that if the situation would be very bearish and we were about to go even lower, then from the piercing this level and appearing below that, we would expect the price to go low very soon after that. Since we don't have that, and even have some kind of, like you see this green candle over here, and some actually this, you can look at this sort of doji, a few dojis, 1, 2 doji. I would say that it looks like reversal signal to me, and the fact that this line, this level, is sort of attacked from the bottom, eventually it will be broken. So, and the fact as well that this drop was not that strong, was just like $100 something comparing to the previous ones and comparing to the rises which we had here. I would say that bears don't have enough steam to push the price lower. I think they sort of tried, but now I think it's easier to go up. It's actually, again, this line is already invalid, so I think that we can delete it, but technically we are still in this triangle, and as soon as we are like almost at the middle of this triangle, as soon as we're approaching to this end, and basically somewhere in the beginning of May, end of April, it's very likely that the strong move will happen above or below this triangle. And I would guess that to push the price lower than that, and somewhere like 3,400 or something, is very hard, while this area is sort of already tested just recently. I think it's easier to test it once again. On the other hand, of course, if you look at the indicators, depending on the time scale, most of them, or if not all of them, are showing that we either sort of neutral or bearish right now, so we're about to go lower. But again, considering all the things which I just mentioned, I think that it's more likely that we will have a sideways price action, maybe a day or two, and then slightly going up, maybe even have a relatively big green candle after that. So we'll see. In any case, in my opinion, I think it's easier to go upwards. But guys, not financial advice. I don't think that we have any reasonable level of certainty about that, and now it's better to wait until the price action will show some more definitive signals, and something like maybe below $3,500, that would be the level. If the price will go even lower, that would be the level again which I would consider to be entering to my long position. And if I will see the rise somewhere around here, then I will just fix my profits which I had before from the positions which I opened before. So but the rest is up to you. And now let's look at Binance Coin. Binance Coin is amazing these days. It is absolutely crashing. You see, Binance to Bitcoin basically made it higher than the previous high, the all-time high of Binance Coin to Bitcoin, and now we are something like probably one of the biggest green candles in the whole history, like for the daily time scale. And technically, everything screams that we need to have a correction. We need to go lower, and the volume is actually declined and so on. So it seems like that we are about to go like this maybe again, because previously we had this increment and now we had something like this again. And you see right now everything is either going sideways or bearish. I mean, all the altcoins, including Bitcoin as well. So Binance now is going against the whole market. Statistically, it's very, very unlikely that the Binance coin will be able to make some crazy rally above all the limits going to the moon, make 10x or something like that. There is a chance, of course, and I don't say, guys, this is impossible. No, it is possible, but what I'm saying is that it's really, really unlikely. And moreover, if you look at the price of Binance coin with respect to United States dollars, then you would see that situation is even more interesting. Right now we have the next top like $18, which is the previous high, and we could indeed reach this level and like bounce from that level. And why I'm saying this is the previous high, and just one of the important points, not this one, because this happened during the previous rally of Bitcoin. So it's not exactly the organic growth. Nevertheless, you can see that there are certain stages of this growth, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we have, and also like preceded to this rise, we have this slow constant rise. See, this happened as well, and now we have 1, 2, 3. So maybe we will have some correction right now or a little bit later that, and we can make another huge leg similar to that one. And if that happen, then probably FOMO and reckless buyers will add some fuel to the fire, and probably we can go even above this level. It is possible, guys, but it's not my financial advice, of course, but I would probably sell if I would have I have a position, but just if I would consider this to be a trading position, I would be already selling, because there should be a correction right now, and maybe some portion will be left until the price, like expectation of the price going something like $17.5, and then I will probably close and expect the correction. If it will go higher, well, guys, we always be able to find some new train. You know, greed is very, very bad. It kills all the profits usually. So anyway, if you will decide to remain in position, I wish you good luck. And in any case, I would love to see how this situation will evolve. A lot of interesting price action happening. But again, all the technical indicators are saying that we are oversold. And statistically, again, the trading is always about statistics. You cannot beat statistics on the long term. You can win once. It's like playing in casino. You can gambling. You can win once, but then next 2-3 trades you will lose basically everything and more than you gained before. So stay sane and hope you will get some profits on this move as well. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Safe trading. Goodbye.